Afternoon folks, a bit noisy. Andy with you. Right, we're in Coalbrookdale and we're down by the watercourse. Right. Over that way is where Brook comes into Upper Furnace Pool. To the left over that direction is where the Brook comes into Upper Furnace Pool as well, and here is where the Upper Furnace Pool empties and goes down into the watercourse, down towards the River Severn, but on its way it goes through the old foundries, and on its way down towards the River Severn it's known as the Coalbrook. Right, so there's a little bit of information for you folks if you didn't already know. So as you can hear and see, there's plenty of water tipping over the edge there to eventually form the Coalbrook. Right, okay, that's just a very short one. Stay safe, take care. Bye for now. See you in another one very soon.